With the help of BJTSI, I was able to catch long trades like this. I used this strategy from this video and I improved it.
I tested this trading strategy 100 times and found it has an 88% win rate. First you want to go to Trading View. Then click the Indicators tab. First type in BJTSI. Make sure it's this one by Bjorgum. Add one more indicator called the BJTSI arrow. Go to the settings of the first indicator. And make sure you change the long length to 50 or short length to 10. Select time frame 1 minute, and you also trade in any time frame. The strategy is pretty simple. You'll get your arrow plotted automatically thanks to the indicator. At the same time, second indicator below create a red zone. You will get a sell signal, like this. You would enter here. You exit the position when the up arrow creates.
As per the video, I applied both BJTSI indicators on my chart and I also applied the suggested settings. I took some profitable trades on 1 minute chart and then I thought to try on higher time frame, and this is how I was able to catch highly profitable trades. But don't get too excited, as I'm going to share with you my honest review about these indicators after a couple of more trades on each time frame. Here are some of the trades that I took on 1 minute chart. The indicator gives you mixed signals even if you paste your entry on combined signals of both indicators. Yes, you can get some of the profitable trades, but you cannot really decide when to enter or when to exit the trade. So I switched to 5 minutes chart and I found that entries were much more easier. I could catch some of the better risk to reward trades. However, the exit signal on BJ arrow indicator were confusing. I was thinking, should I follow the indicator's signal or test 1 to 1.5 ratios trades? Some of the trades ended up going like this. And the unexpected signals were often present on a higher time frame. I completely decided to ignore the exit signals from the indicator. Instead of that, I utilized potential support and resistance levels as a target take profit. So far, this strategy was working and I thought to test it on a daily time frame. On daily time frame, it was absolute disaster. Forget about take profit. Every entry was turning into a loss. The same indicator which was a profitable short while ago is now giving me false signals. I moved back to 1 minute time frame to reevaluate this issue of sudden change, but it wasn't the time frame. In fact, it was something else. It was about direction. By simply following these indicators signal, I was going against the overall trend. So firstly, I put back the default settings of BJ arrows, and secondly, to find overall direction, I used an EMA. I changed the EMA's length to 48 and the time frame to be 30 minutes for a 5 minute chart. Here is the improved version. Firstly, never going against the EMA. Secondly, waiting for the pullback to enter on either direction. Thirdly, keeping the trade 1 to 1.5 or near support and resistance area. On the new setup, when both indicators produce the sell signal and the price is also below the EMA, hence I entered the short position. On the next trade, I kept my take profit near the recent strong support area. I found this by going to the 30 minutes chart. After improving the strategy, the entry signals were much more accurate. Take profit was much more strategic, meaning that you will have to increase or decrease your take profit ratio according to the situation. Lastly, avoid entering into a trade when EMA is in the straight line and price is jumping around the EMA. Instead of that, wait for the pullback. Here is the overall result after improving the strategy. This strategy can be effective by drawing important support and resistance areas. To increase the win ratio, draw effective support and resistance areas by following this video.